On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own background. So in a video before, I showed you how to add a border. So the thing is, when I showed you how to add a border before, if someone were to come in or you were creating on it and you accidentally clicked on it, the border is going to move around. So what you can do, and this is something called a master template that not a lot of people know how to use. It's been around for a while, but I even just learned about it in the past 6 or 7 months. And so I had never used it before, but it is a really great way for you to be able to make your own backgrounds that don't move around. What you're going to do is you're going to go to View and then go to Theme Builder. Now, when you open this up, you're going to see a lot of different types of layouts for different slides. In fact, these are all the layouts. So I'm going to click outside. When you choose a slide, you are choosing one of the layouts there. So what you're going to do now is you're going to make a new layout. So when you click right here, this drop down menu, you're going to have your own layout pop up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that and make your own background. So again, we're going to go to View and go to Theme Builder. Now, here, this very first page is talking about your fonts that you want to use for this presentation. So if you know you like certain themes, like certain fonts, you could go ahead and choose different fonts. I really like to have like a heading as be a big chunky heading. And then if you had a favorite font that you would want to do, I would say not to be too crazy with the font that's on these different levels, but you don't even have to do this one for right now. And I'm just going to click that and click black. So that means anything that I type, if it's a big header, it's going to be this font. So that's just something kind of cool. But what I want to do is I want to go down to the very bottom one, and I want to leave this one blank. So I still want to be able to have that as an option. So I'm just going to duplicate it. So I'm going to press Control and D for duplicate and come up with my own one. Okay. So this is my own slide that I can start creating. So what I want to do is I want to maybe add a background. So I want to start with maybe a border. So I can come up here to shapes like I showed you before, and I can create my own border onto the slide. Now, I see here there's a page number. I just want to delete that because I want it on. Okay. And I want to make my border. I can bring it over here by just getting a handle and bringing that handle down. I can change the dimensions here and change my color. Okay, and I'm just going to even keep the border black as well. So you can do something like that. So there we go. That is my background. That's like a border that I can have, but I also want to make sure it's centered. So I'm going to center it up. And I want to center it. I got to select it to do this. I want to center it horizontally and vertically. Okay, and then maybe I want to draw like a picture or something like that, or if I want the background to be a different color, so I could even put the background color to be something. If that's what I wanted, I could do that. Okay, that could be my background. You can add so much more to it. If you want to add some shapes, you could do that too. And you could go up here and add shapes, or if you wanted to add a cute little clip art, you could even go to Insert and go to Image and search the web. I know we've done this in class, so I'm going kind of fast. But if you might want to put children clip art. Okay. And you can put stuff in here like on your own, and you can just put your own clip art in and have that in here. And maybe that's the way you want your background, or you have little kids in here, whatever you want to do. It's completely up to you if you want to do something like that. So you want to make your own background. All right. And then you want to be able to do something on top of it. So there you go, that you've made your own background. So look what happens over here. I'm going to click out of that. And then when I go up to here, do you see this is my thing? But now look, when I click on it, I can't move it. I'm trying to move this, but I've already created my own background. So that's just a way if you have something you want to do, and then now I can come in and I can add my text boxes and I can type on to something and I can make a big heading and I can go ahead and do my own thing. And when I show it, again, this can move because I just created this, but this can't because I just made my own background. So that is one way for you to make a background on your own.